Hello everyone, welcome to Nandini Creative Ideas. We all are eagerly waiting for the winter festival seasons like Navratri, Diwali and marriage season and so on. So guys, in this video I am showing you how you can decorate your Puja Thali in a simple and easy way. We have a different ideas of Puja Thali decoration. Now I am showing you how you can decorate your Puja Thali in a different ways. So this is my Puja Thali. Here I painted a Ganpati Bappa. Now this is a thali which I have decorated earlier. I have already uploaded this video on my YouTube channel. For more help, I will provide the link of this video in description box. For this puja thali, I had used two ceramic cones which is white and green, and thereafter I had used some stones to decorate it.
welcome any closer. This is gonna be too much for us to win. It's okay, but it's not like you can probably see it in the way I say. This is gonna be too much for us to bear. I'm just calling to say.
Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, stay tuned with us.